Yo! NBA 2K25. The greatest era 90's edition, huh? New cards are Pink Diamond Chris Mullin, Diamond Derek Coleman, Grant Hill, Rob Shackle, Loy, Sprewell, Kenny Anderson. Oh, wait, there's no other cards here. Huh? Okay. Wait, let's see. Yeah, there's only 6 cards. So, 7,500 MBC for a single pack. Single pack, 13,125 MT for single pack. 70,000 VC for a 10 pack box. 140,000 VC for a 20 pack box. And we also got this base pack. So I've been opening the space packs. Huh. Oh well, we got 100,000 MT. We spent about 210,000 MT without pulling even an amethyst. Maybe today's the day. Let's go. First pack. Oh, wow. Oh man. Oh, we got 2. We got sapphire and diamond. No. We got sapphire and the gold. Franz Wagner record post perfect. 4 prospect boys in the game with Franz Wagner. Very gross. If we can open about what? 6 to 7, I don't know. Yes, 100,000 MT people. Oh man, we're not getting any shake. Did they just make more free throws in the game using Jalen Williams? Did they just pack odds for MTs? So trash, people. Come on, one shake only. Oh my goodness. 2 guards. Larry McCannon record 8 second chance points in the game using Larry McCannon, and we got Dario Saric. Put that in the option house, quick sell the rest. Okay. Open about 3 more. Come on, 2K, one shake for me. Wow. My goodness, why is NBA 2K25 packs are so garbage, man? First stops for Singles. I'm not getting anything from this. LaMelo Ball. God! Oh, we got Ruby. What's this? Okay, Kawhi Leonard. I'll take Kawhi Leonard. Let's go with the base pack. Maybe we can get something on the base pack. These garbage packs are garbage. So what? I think we spent about 310,000 MT without pulling even an amethyst. Mason Jones. Oh, I have this card already. Wow. We're opening base packs, people. Base packs. 4 emerald. Ooh, OG Anunoby. We got a holo OG Anunoby. How about we try? Ah, crap! I opened a pack with BC. My goodness. Yep. Josh Richardson. Oh, Josh Richardson's in Miami Heat right now. packs of VC. Why? Jeremiah Robinson Earl. Garbage after garbage after garbage. Man, I keep opening packs of VC. I hate Jalen Hoods Capillo. Oh crap. My god, my gods. Another Kristaps Porzingis. I got so many cards that I don't have, but they keep giving me duplicates. Whatever. Dorian Finney-Smith. I still have that too. What the? You gotta be kidding me. God. God! Alex Caruso. I still have Alex Caruso. Oh god. Let's see my collection. Not one player from the set. How much is Chris Mullin? Chris Mullin. Small forward. Shooting guard. 99 offense. 99 defense. 6'7". B plus, A plus, B plus, A plus, B plus, A minus, A plus, B minus, A plus, A plus. Tendency, no one cares. Oh wait. Okay. Shot tendency. Shooting, driving, layups 88, post fade 70, post hook 70, post control 70, 90 drop foul, 92 close shot, mid range shot 95, 98 3-point shot. Free throws 95, standing out 38, 75 driving down, passing, ball handle 86, 80, pass IQ, pass accuracy 85, defense. Block is 80, steals 85, need to perimeter defense, hit 75, rebounding 70 offensive, 84 defensive, athleticism 90, speeded ball is 84, 91 agility, vertical is 84, strength is 80, 94, stamina, hustle 85, mental 85, perception, efficiency 85, offensive efficiency 98, help defense IQ is 90, shot IQ is 35, huh? 11 open badges, dead eye, limits range, super off ball, challenge, off ball best, interceptor, layup, mix master, physical finisher, set shot specialist, shifty shooter, strong handle, 13 gold badges, float game, posterizer, bailout, dream break starter, handles for days, unblockable, pick dodger, glove, focus stick, ball enforcer, versatile, visionary, lightning lunch, got on ball menace, laid back, alpha dog, Grant Hill, how much Grant Hill? Trees 84. Chris Mullin is what? How much is Chris Mullin? My goodness, 251,000 empty right now. It's already been 46 minutes and only 2 pink diamonds have been pulled. Man, I think back odds for NBA 2K25 is gonna be so much worse.